Let's stop leaving good food on the table or in the pumpkin patch. Isn't it beautiful? Pumpkin leaves. Ready to go cook some pumpkin leaves. Welcome to Nutrition Lawyer channel. If this is your first time with us, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. And hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post content or whenever I go live. All right? This channel is about healthy living. It's about health and wellness, to fight disease and to live a long and happier existence. So we give you tips and tricks about nutrition and health, and also wonderful recipes that you should use, okay? I promote the ketogenic lifestyle, but I'm very plant-based. So whatever it is that you eat, we want you to eat well, right? Because when you're looking good and you're feeling great and you love the way you look, you're gonna be happier, right? That's just how it is. With that being said, let's get into today's video. Many times we're eating certain types of foods and we don't know that other parts of that food is fantastic for us. Okay, today's video is about these pumpkin leaves. Did you know you could eat pumpkin leaves? I definitely didn't know. Whenever I got pumpkin from the patch, I just left the leaf where it is, not the patch. Did not know that we're leaving good food to dry up, and these leaves have amazing nutrients, which I will get into later, but it's just, they're so fantastic for us, okay? So however you cook spinach or kale or callaloo, you can cook the pumpkin leaves the same way. So we're gonna do a recipe today with the pumpkin leaves. Let's do it. Our pumpkin leaves are all washed, all right, and ready to go. So we're gonna cut these up and show you how to do it. All right, so now that our pumpkin leaves are washed, we are ready to cut. These leaves are very easy to cut. Voila, our leaves are ready. So let's go saute these. So this is what we're gonna put in there. We're going to put in 1 onion. You can do yellow onion, I'm doing red onion. A tomato, 2 cloves of garlic, some scotch bonnet pepper, scallions, and some thyme. That is what we're gonna put in, okay? And we're gonna add some spices as well. Some all-purpose Mrs. Dash and Himalayan pink salt, some black pepper, and some Old Bay. So we're all chopped up and we're ready to saute. Coconut oil added. Adding pumpkin leaves. What I've noticed about pumpkin leaves is that it needs a lot of moisture. So we'll add some water, and I'm going to add some coconut oil. I've added some water, cup of water, and I'm going to add some coconut oil and some spices. Adding some salt and pepper. Some salt-free Mrs. Dash. Or any type of all-purpose seasoning that you have that doesn't have any salt or sugar. Some Old Bay. And I'm going to go ahead and add some coconut milk. It's coming along very nicely. But it really uses a lot of moisture. So I am going to add some more water and then a little bit more coconut milk. And then I'm going to cover it so it can simmer. Smells really good. Adding some thyme as well. Oh, the thyme smells so good. Added some more coconut milk. So in all, 1 cup of coconut milk. And I'm going to cover it and let it simmer. Looking good, almost ready to eat. I'll taste it for you all on camera, let you see. All right, so our pumpkin leaves are ready. And I am going to share some out and taste it and let you know how it is. Definitely smells great. It's ready to eat. So now it's time for the taste test for our pumpkin leaves. It smells so yummy. Oh my gosh. It smells absolutely delicious. Let's eat. Pumpkin leaves. Can't wait to taste. Pumpkin leaves. Sauteed pumpkin leaves. Smells so good. Now it's time for the taste test. So let's do it. It is hot. Oh, it smells so yummy. Wow. This is so yummy. It is delicious. I love this version. Yum, yum, yum. I made it before without the coconut milk. I love that too, but coconut milk, so yummy. Yummy. Definitely do this recipe. Let me know in the comments how you like it, all right? Pumpkin is so yummy for you. And the leaves, wow, so good. Cheers to healthy living.